Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is gonna be going through all of my Polaroids that I have, just because I thought it'd be a cute little video for you guys, so you guys get to know me a little better. The first album we're gonna be looking at is this Hello Beautiful album. I don't know if I clarified, this one's more family related. This album was given to me by my sister-in-law. So the very first pictures we'll be looking at are one of the first pictures me and Brandon took together. So this is me just giving him a kiss on the cheek, and then this one's just me hugging him. Brandon took a picture of me at a pool party we had, and then his sister caught us off guard here. We were like at his cousin's house, and this beginning is from 2016, and then this is the first picture I ever took of Daisy with the Polaroid, and this is Aranza, my younger sister, Brandon, and Daisy, which she's like really exposed here. This was in the month of December. Brandon and me went to this restaurant called Unforgettable. It's a Vietnamese restaurant, and so we went to go eat here. You'll see pictures. And then when we got home, I decided to take a picture with Daisy and Dino. So these are the pictures of that same day. And then I think one of the last pictures that we had from 2016 was a picture of Daisy. One picture I forgot to put here that is missing is Dino. Dino is the last picture we took of the night. Let me make sure. Yeah, Dino was the last picture we took. So starting off in 2017, one of the first Polaroids we have is of me and Brennan going to prom. The next row is of Brandon and his best friend Martine, them doing some gay shit here, some gang wannabe throwing signs, and then a normal nice picture here. And then right here is a picture of Brandon's friend Gabe. And then you guys see a empty spot here. That was actually a picture of me and my best friend. I have that one in a special case because she's my best friend. And then this was Thanksgiving, and Brandon just took some cute pictures of me. And then it's Brandon's older sister and me. And then it's me and Brandon, but the lighting was really dark, so you can barely see us. You can just see a white sweater mostly. And then we went to Disneyland here. And right here, I think it was some family event during December. And then it's Brandon and his sister here. This was my sister's first time and my first time that we went to Disneyland. This was Blossom and Daisy when we first got her. As you can see, it says Baby Blossom. And then it's me and Brandon at our Christmas party. I look weird. I look like I'm missing my neck. And then at the start of 2018, at a Easter event, Easter like get together we had. It's me and him, and then it's his older sister and me. This was at my birthday party of 2018. This is my sister-in-law's boyfriend. I was gonna say husband. It's also her birthday. So me and my sister-in-law share the exact same birthday, which is May 25th. It's just different years. So I think that's very funny that me and her share the same birthday. So we always have our birthday parties together. And then this picture is of my younger sister-in-law and our cousin. It's just a black and white picture. They were looking at Alcatraz Island in San Francisco, and I just thought it was a cool picture. What I have for 2019 is my niece and my mother-in-law here. It's just a cute little picture that I have. And then it's Brandon and my niece. The funny thing is, it was Easter of this year, and at this family Easter gathering, we told like the whole family that I was pregnant. And then it's my sister-in-law, my mom, and my niece. And then this little pig Brandon drew for me. And then this is the same day Easter's, just they were swimming. It's a little dark, but it's like, it's Brandon and it's a bunch of cousins and his sister in there. You can see in this picture a little bit better. The next album is mostly me, Brandon, and our two little girls, which are Daisy and Blossom. My next Fujifilm album is this blue one that Brandon made for, not made, sorry, he decorated himself. As you guys can see, he wrote Howdy, and it's a dinosaur with the hat on. And our main picture that we have here is of Daisy with our little beans jacket that Brandon bought him. Yeah, and it says at the bottom, it's about to be a wild ride. So the first picture that you will see is of me and Brandon at my 19th birthday party last year. And then this was New Year's Eve. It's me and Brandon. And then it is Blossom and Daisy that same night, which was New Year's Eve. No, it was already the next year, so 2019. This was them. A couple more pictures of Daisy and Blossom. There's this one that says Daddy's doing homework at 9:19. It's not in a dirty way. This is like an album that we want to show our little baby. And it was literally meant as like his daddy, nothing crazy. And the picture next to it is telling my mom and sister I was pregnant. And then that within that same like hour of telling my mom I was pregnant, I took a picture of my sister's dog. His name is Alex. He's a miniature poodle. He's overexposed, I know. And then this is Daisy and Blossom hiding away from Alex. And then I said the next picture following that is Brandon getting a haircut. And then the next picture is of Brandon trying out a outfit. So then the next pictures were of May. It's in the month of May. And that was in my birthday. Yeah, it was Saturday. It was on my birthday. And we took a selfie with our Fujifilm camera. So this was given, like the whole album was given to me by Brandon as a gift. It was my birthday gift from him. So all of these are that you guys are gonna see are from May. So then he took like this nice little picture of me. We were at some restaurant and I was hungry and I was making faces. And then we went miniature golfing. And then he took a picture of me trying to hit the ball, but I'm not good at golfing, so. And then I took a picture of Brandon. It did look like a Chinatown in the back, but you can't really see that here. But we labeled it Chinatown. And then Brandon thought this picture was edgy. Brandon labeled this one Papa's back. I don't know what he means by that.
Because the way I'm standing.
That's why he titled it Papa's Back, because of his stance.
Papa's back in town.
And then he put under exposed picture because you can barely see me. You can see mostly my shoes. He labeled this one Heaven. I was in front of a fountain. I think he labeled it Heaven because I look white. He labeled this one Slick Daddy. I don't know why either. This one is of me, Daisy, and Blossom. And then this one is of Daisy covered. And it says Dealer Daisy. I think it's because we were making jokes that she was like selling drugs, and that was like her oversized hoodie. And then we put a little card saying that was for my birthday of this year. That was when I turned 20. So I know this one's small because we haven't been taking that many pictures. I don't think we've been anywhere crazy lately. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all these Polaroids of us. As always, I hope you guys have a great day. Like this video If you did, comment down below what was a funny picture or what was your favorite picture. As always, share this video so our community keeps on growing, and go follow me on Instagram and subscribe. Biggest one, subscribe. But yeah guys, as always, like I said, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
It's not for me to say.